While Screensaver is a screen-preserving feature in the past, it is mostly cosmetic now. You can easily customize your screensaver in your lock screen settings. So if you want to change your screensaver in your Windows 11, here are some ways on how you can do that. Now to start the process, you can open up Settings, click Personalization, click Lock Screen, then scroll down and select Screensaver Settings or Screensaver. Now in the new window, click the Screensaver drop-down menu, select Screensaver, and you can now select 3D text, blank, bubbles, mystify, photos, or ribbons. Then, set the wait time by clicking the arrow or manually setting up. Once done, click Apply, then select OK. Now when your computer is idle for the set amount of time, you will see the screensaver. Then moving your mouse or using the keyboard will exit the screensaver. So that's how you can change your screensaver in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.